So you're short on time. I would suggest that you can search pre-existing Kahoot games within the Kahoot system. You can click on Find Kahoots up on the top, or you can just use the search button. I am teaching a unit on the skeletal system, so you can just type in some keywords and it'll pull up whatever's in the database. And I'm just going to click on skeletal system, and you can see that it lists a variety of different quizzes, and you can just go through them and see which ones which one you would like to use. This particular one is a quiz. There's 25 questions. It's as simple as clicking play if you would like to just take your chances and see if that game works. I would highly recommend looking at the quiz prior to launching it. On this particular Kahoot, you can go through each of the questions and see if you like them. You can also see if the pictures are accurate or if you'd like to make changes to them. I would also suggest that you click on each question to see what the answer choices are. You may like to make some changes to the answer choices or rearrange the order, or you may also want to double check to make sure that the correct answer is indeed checked. Let's go ahead and click on the back arrow and go back to the search screen. And I'm going to go ahead and use this Kahoot. So what you need to do is to make sure that you hit the duplicate button and go ahead and click on duplicate. And what that's going to do is it's going to move that particular game into your Kahoot account or My Kahoots. And so now you can see that it made a duplicate of that particular game. I can launch the game directly from this screen as well. But I want to make some changes. So we want to go ahead and click on Edit. Here, what you can do is you can review all the questions again. Here you can also adjust the time limit if you'd like. You can go anywhere from 5 seconds to 120 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to 30 seconds for this particular question. On the right hand side, you're also going to see where you can edit the question if you would like to make changes. You can duplicate this question if you would like, if you made an error and you want to just go ahead and duplicate it. And you can also just delete this question. Say you like every other question in this Kahoot, but you want to get rid of this particular one, you can just delete it. Let's go ahead and click on the edit this question. And here is where you will go into the game creator screen. So you can go ahead and make modifications to the question itself. Again, you can change the time limit. You can award points. You can also make changes to the answer choices. And you can also make sure that you have whichever answer is checked with the green, that is going to be your correct answer. You can also decide to add an image out of the Kahoot database of images. You can also upload an image from your computer, or you can also add a video here. And there's also a section to credit your resources that you're using. Once you've made all the changes, go ahead and click on Next. And it'll take you back to the quiz. And so you can continue to make changes if you need to. Sometimes it's minor changes, sometimes it's major changes. Once you've made all the changes that you would like, you want to go ahead and click on Save in the upper right-hand corner. And it's finished. It's saved and published. And you're going to find this in My Kahoots. And so you can edit the game from this particular screen. You can preview the game. You can go ahead and directly play it. Or you can also share it if you need to. Once you're finished with this, you want to go ahead and click on I'm done on the upper right hand corner. And you will be back to your My Kahoot section, and it'll be saved there for whenever you're ready to use it.